Hello friends, this is our project Trivium Cipher. This project is about the implementation of Trivium Cipher, which is a synchronous stream cipher on Cadence using 0.13 nanometer technology. It's the simplest E-stream entrant. Here we can see that its architecture. It consists of 3 shift registers whose output are connected to XOR, and this way we give 80 key bits and 80 initial values to generate a key stream of around 2 raised to power 64 bits key stream. So for this project we have made the layout, we have made the schematic, but first we need to know what we need to optimize. But here Trivium Cipher has a trade-off between delay and area. So we have used delay to optimize, and this is our optimization method. First we made the schematic with NMOS and PMOS with minimum width of 0.28 micrometer. Second, next we generated a netlist using HSpice D setting in analog environment and Cadence itself. Then in the simulation, then we made the simulation file in which we swept the values of width of PMOS. In that we saw that for around there were we could find different widths for different PMOS for different elements, like for D flip flop, for XOR, like that. And then we got the required width and we made the layout out of that. So here is our layout. Huh. So here is our layout. You can see compared to architecture that there are 3 shift registers, okay, connected, and you can see that how this D flip flop is made. We have used C square MOS design style, as we do not require any clock synchronization, so that headrooms are decreased in this design. Moreover, less transistors are used in C square MOS. So this design was comparatively useful in decreasing the delay. But yeah, area did increase for the overall trivium cipher, though we decreased the area for each element. As you can see the XOR also, how we have used XOR. Just a second. Yeah, so this is our XOR. Alright, now we'll show how we got the output. So these are the waveforms we got. Here V reset is the, it's our,
reset pin,
it,
and we have a clock over here, and we have the output Vs. So this ran for around 25 nanosecond, and our output file is around produced over here. You can see the T delay, T energy values over here. So looking at our, first we generated our netlist using Cadence. From Cadence we generated our netlist on running the QRC and all, and again we on running the simulation file we got the particular values what we need. And here we can see the values what all we got, optimized values what we got. Like delay is around 793 picoseconds, energy is around 778 picojoules for 925 nanosecond simulation. So energy delay product is around 61.9 nanosecond joules. So the total length and width of the schematic layout what we shown here is was around 1135 micrometers. It's like the box diameter, bounding box dimensions what we call. So the area was around 25,887 micrometer square. And so
yeah, this is too large area, but yeah, delay is
delay,
minimized.
yeah, so we can see the trade-off between delay and area over here. Even our energy is less compared to the area. So these are simulation
And yes,
results.
you can see the number of MOSFETs are around 4,770, which is not, which is a fine amount,
Fine.
decent amount.
As we
Transistors,
require 288
bits.
bits to be transferred, so it's a good number of transistors used, so it's better. Thank you.
So this is our Trivium cipher. Thank you.